guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be another day in my life vlog. So in today's day, we're going to be doing a lot of exciting things for which I'm not ready at all, guys, because today's morning has been quite a lot of laziness. So I woke up and it was like so cold outside and I literally didn't want to step out of my blanket at all, and it has been like raining since past 10 to 9 days, but I never felt this cold, and even I went to swimming as well. But today I don't think so I'll be able to go to swimming because the weather is so cold and chilly. I literally don't want to step out of my house, but we do have to, because today I'm going to be going and meeting my friend. Her name is Annapurni. So we have been planning on meeting ever since final examinations, but we couldn't. So today is the final day, so today I'm going to be going and meeting her in a cafe. So yeah, I think let's do that. That is probably my first thing that I have to do in today's day. So the time right now is like almost 12 o'clock in the noon, and it's still so cold, like the sun is not showing up, guys. So yeah, I think I'll go and get ready now. I'll take a quick hot shower and then I'll meet you guys. So yeah.
hours later.
Thank you so much for calling.